Hello, traders! Did you know? There are two ways to access your Forex VPS via remote desktop connection or directly through the no-VNC console in the SocialVPS client area. In this video, we will discuss how to access your VPS using the no-VNC console. It's fast, secure, and requires no additional software installation. The no-VNC console allows you to control your VPS directly from your browser with a simple display and stable connection. Besides being practical, this feature is also very useful for troubleshooting if your RDC connection is problematic. First, log in to your client area account at SocialVPS.net. Then, head over to the Services menu and select your VPS from the list. Next, scroll down until you find the no-VNC console option and click on it to open the console window. Once the window opens, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete or follow the steps in the video. And then enter your VPS password manually, since no-VNC console doesn't support copy-pasting passwords. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed straight to your VPS desktop display, ready for use. It's super easy, right? Good luck trying it out, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your trader friends. See you in the next tutorial from Social VPS.